In today's video, I'm going to teach you Slack tutorial, how to Slack like a pro in less than 5 minutes. Start by heading to slack.com. You can sign up with your email, or if you've received an invite to a workspace, simply log in with that same email. Follow the prompts to verify your account so Slack can connect you to the right place without any hiccups. Once you're in, either create a new workspace for your team or join an existing one. Take a moment to set up your profile so people know who they're chatting with. Add a clear display name, a profile photo, your role, and your time zone. This helps teammates find you quickly and keeps communication clear across different locations. If you prefer a smoother experience, install the desktop or mobile app. The apps keep you signed in, support better notifications, and make it faster to jump back into conversations throughout your day. Let's get oriented. The main navigation lives on the left. This sidebar is where you'll see channels, direct messages, and key views that help you keep track of work. You can drag sections to reorder and collapse areas to stay focused. Channels are where teams and topics live. Think of them as shared rooms for projects, departments, or announcements. Public channels are discoverable, while private channels are invitation only. Join the ones that matter to your work and leave noise behind. Direct messages are private chats between you and one or more teammates. Use them for quick check-ins or sensitive topics that don't belong in a channel. The home view surfaces your recent activity, saved items, and reminders. It's a handy place to catch up and quickly return to work you've marked for later. At the top, the search bar is your superpower. Type to find messages, files, and people, and use filters like in channel or from teammate to narrow results. This saves time digging through long threads. Your profile picture in the top right lets you set a status, adjust notifications, and tweak preferences. Use Do Not Disturb to pause alerts when you need deep focus. Inside any channel, click to open it and type at the bottom to send a message. Keep posts clear and break up larger updates for readability. To get someone's attention, type the @ symbol and their name. Mention Send a direct notification so nothing gets missed. Reply in threads to keep conversations organized and avoid cluttering the main channel. Use emoji reactions for quick acknowledgements, like a thumbs up to confirm you've seen something. Share files by dragging and dropping, or click the plus button to upload documents and images with context. When a chat needs a quick face-to-face, start a huddle in a channel or DM for lightweight audio or video with optional screen sharing. With these basics, you're ready to work faster and communicate clearly in Slack.